Take command of the road in the 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report indicating just 1 previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.